Make perfect espressos, cappuccinos or cafe lattes at the touch of a button. The Magnifica Pronto Cappuccino. The automatic cappuccino system features Delonghi's patented single-touch milk carafe for easy coffee making at the touch of a button, while the extra attachment allows for hot water for fruit and herbal teas. Personalize your coffee preferences. Choose from short, long, strong or mild, piping hot or medium temperature, with adjustable coffee and water quantity and temperature control. Use with coffee beans or ground coffee, featuring an integrated ceramic burr grinder with 13 settings and a removable 1.8-litre water tank. You can even prepare 2 cups with a single brewing. Auto rinse and auto descale ensure that your machine is maintained in optimum condition. Other convenient features include an adjustable coffee dispenser for a variety of cup sizes, programmable automatic switch on and shut off, cup warmer and removable drip tray. Real Italian coffee at the touch of a button. The Magnifica Pronto Cappuccino.